These are the clothes that we'll be bringing in to our trip. So I got some dress, leggings, and shirt, and then shorts and crop top. Crop top. Yeah. So, and I'll be bringing extra clothes. So I need to bring a towel because uh the hostel that I'm gonna be staying specifically said that they don't have towel. So I'm gonna add towel here. Okay. So pretty much it. That's it for the packing. So I might add some more before the flight. Ta-da! Pretty much we're set. hmm So that's it for the packing. I hope you like and subscribe. And if you have any question, just tag me or comment. Oh, I'll be bringing some uh socks too. Yeah. So 4 pairs of socks. And also for the dirty clothes, I have this trash bag. So the dirty clothes goes in here and then I put them inside the suitcase. That's how I do it. Mm-hmm. Yeah, so I'm excited but I'm nervous. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah, I should not forget my eyeglasses just in case. Mm-hmm. So yeah, uh, hopefully my next vlog will be about my trip to Taiwan. Well, uh, um, man, yeah, I'm just gonna have to say goodbye. So this is ang Manlalakbay, and follow and subscribe.